Aside from my 18th birthday, I can't remember having a big birthday party. It's always a simple lunch or dinner with the family, a birthday surprise or celebration care of my office mates, or a solo trip when I was still single. And actually, I like it that way. But as they say, there's always a first time, and that time maybe is today. February, we booked this newly opened AirBnB in Tagaytay. How lucky we are to find the newest, luxurious, and spacious AirBnB perfect for big groups with kids. Upon entrance, an open green space will welcome you, as well as their heated pool for the family or friends to enjoy. As you enter the house, a cozy living room will welcome you. At the right side is a beautiful kitchen, complete with dining wares and cooking equipment. There's a 2-door fridge, hot water kettle, ice maker, microwave, an oven, and electric stove. There's also this beautiful barbecue griller outside. Adjacent to the main kitchen is their dirty kitchen where the drinking water, another stove and sink are available. This dining room can fit 10 people and it offers a view of the garden and the pool, making it easier to watch the kids while they're swimming. When you and some of your friends become a mom, having your own room during staycations like this is definitely a must. The master's bedroom is located at the ground floor near the stairs. It has a king-sized bed, a sofa bed, an accent chair, cabinets, and a bathroom. The other 3 bedrooms are located at the second floor. This common area here allowed us to stay late at night, as it's easy to run to each room when our kids wake up at the middle of the night. Behind this is the spacious terrace, which is also a perfect place to have your morning coffee. Having coffee here is not a problem because you have this coffee station at the second floor. If you think that's it, their attic is also an interesting space to spend some quality time with its Japanese-inspired floor lounge chairs overlooking the outdoors. This place is indeed stunning, as each corner is incredibly remarkable and well thought of.
Shows up around the corner. lang ginamit mo.
My alma mater didn't just give me a good education. It also gave me the best friends that I know will last a lifetime. In a group, there's always someone who didn't get the memo, who's always late, who failed to read the message, who forgets to reply, and someone who always receives gifts despite not having prepared anything. Yes, that's me. But still, they're there for me.
Birthday ko. Kahapon.
We may have taken different paths, but we remain to be each other's constant. This friendship is one of the best gifts I've been receiving for the past 20 years. And this is my way of saying thank you for a friendship that is definitely for keeps.